back from the dead.
What's up, guys? Mopar Central here. Today, I'm gonna show you my Mustang I've been working on. I took off any part imaginable while still leaving the classical. What? The original Mustang look. So it originally came with 2 motors, but I decided to add extra one just because. But that also meant I had to move part of the frame, which led to some problems. Anyways, so I ordered some new parts. Right now, we gotta put some new wheels in the front. Alright, so we're gonna have to move the axle down. Also look at that. See that white stuff? Well, it's from this. Yeah, it was going so fast that it actually yeah, it's crazy. Just shows how fast the thing can go. You know? Take this wheel off. Yeah. Or take the entire whatchamacallit off. Yep. Now where was it? Yeah, I'm gonna remove that. Because I also have to make room for the engine that I'm building. Okay, I know how weird it looks, but trust me, I'm gonna put some wider axles on it on Monday. I don't know. So next week, they'll be on for sure. So the reason why there's these wheels in front is because, well, the real reason, like actual drag cars, is sorry guys, the camera decided to act up. There. Doesn't work. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. In case you're wondering what that squeaking was, some of the front tires sliding. I don't know why. Oh, I see. Alright, so the problem is it was going so fast that these things that keep it from moving around, they went like that. Oh, and also, I'll be right back. So, new V8 I'm gonna put in it. It's gonna be this wide. So, no, it's gonna be this long. Okay, is it? Nope, it's not even doing anything. So I'm gonna remove these parts because all they're really doing is hanging on. Yeah. Which is, extra weight and extra space. So I'm gonna see if it's the same case over here. Nope. I mean, yes, but oh wait, never mind. So I got it. I have the perfect solution for it. Only problem is, see how it's connected? Pretty complicated. But these are just, wow. Man. Well, that wasn't too difficult. Oh, wow, it looks so weird not having them there. But, I can move it back to like right there. Or, what I will probably do is, remove these pieces and what are you doing? Huh, that's confusing. Isn't that? Yep. Well, you know what that means. Ah, there we go. Much simpler. Oh my gosh, that looks so weird. But yeah, I freed up some more space. which yeah, I think I can see where the drive line, differential, all that good stuff is gonna go, along with these. Okay, so I still need these pieces on, but let's be honest, the top pieces aren't really doing much. Huh? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are they? Oh, they are. Great. Oh, and also, in case you're wondering what happened to the headlights, pretty interesting story. So you know how the transition from the tile to the carpet has sometimes those little golden rail thing? Well, it was going so fast in the short distance from here to there. It was pretty low, so it went like that. Headlights came off. I actually lost one. Just found it a couple of days ago. The motors actually got ripped out. Shut up. And what else happened? Yeah, it was pretty impressive, and also I had to remake the what's it called? How it's connected. Like I don't know. It was only connected from one side. Pretty weak. But so anyways, most Lego V8s are made entirely of Lego bricks. Most people make them themselves, which I won't. I'll be using those realistic Lego V8 parts, and I'm actually gonna have the valve covers will be like they're gonna be the brick version of this, except red. You know, kind of like on the how they had in the 60s. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you don't want to miss out on a single video like this, make sure to subscribe as well. See ya.